Okay, sing it.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to
Noah.
Happy birthday to you.
How old are you gonna be? Do you remember?
Yeah.
How old?
Hmm.
3. And guess whose birthday hat this is? This was Mimi's hat from 2 years ago, or last year. Auntie Shell and Uncle Eric and Tori and Eric gave it to me.
Like this much?
Yes, this much, exactly. Let me
This
see.
much.
Let me see how much. Exactly. Oh, still. No, no, no. Put one more. Yeah, 3. That's it. You're gonna be 3. You're gonna be 3.
Yep.
And you're gonna be going to preschool pretty soon.
Good.
Yes.
I'm going to school.
Yep. So that means.
Hopefully.
Yep. Say love you, everybody.
Love you. Bye-bye.